Aloha! Let's learn the piʻapa, the Hawaiian alphabet. The piʻapa consists of 13 letters. A, E, I, O, U, He, Ke, La, Mu, Nu, Pi, Ve, Okina. Did you notice that we say these letters differently in Hawaiian? In English, we would say AEIOU HKLMNPW Okina. In Hawaiian, we say A, E, I, O, U, He, Ke, La, Mu, Nu, Pi, Ve, Okina. Another difference is the order of our alphabet. In the Hawaiian piʻapa, our vowels are first, followed by the consonants. ʻŌlelo kawa. Let's say these letters together. A, E, I, O, U, He, Ke, La, Mu, Nu, Pi, Ve, Okina. As you can see, the okina is different from the apostrophe. When writing the okina, write it as if it's the number 6. Our vowels can also be lengthened with a diacritical marker called the kahako. When you see the kahako, place a slight emphasis on the vowel it is marking. For example, a, e, I, o, u. Oia ka piʻapa. That's our alphabet. Remember to practice aloud often to improve your pronunciation of our Hawaiian letters.